We're gonna start this project with large brush and light blue paint. We're gonna create a horizon line by connecting the middle of left and right side and creating a wavy line. Then we're gonna paint everything above that horizon line with light blue paint. After wiping your brush, you can use light green paint to outline horizon line one more time and then paint everything in below that green line. After washing and wiping your brush, we're gonna use it to paint straight white lines from horizon line all the way up. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush and we're gonna use white paint to paint an almond shape above the horizon line. Now we're gonna create two arches connected in the middle. Then we can paint in the lower part of the face. We're gonna create a shape that is wider closer to the bottom and narrow on top. Now we'll add two triangles on top of the head. After wiping your brush, you can use same brush and orange paint to outline upper part of the head and paint it in. Next, we're gonna outline lower part of the fox. After that, you can outline each ear. We're gonna outline and paint in the tail using orange paint. We're gonna skip the tip of the tail so we can color it in using white paint later. I'm adding second layer of orange where it seems too transparent. After cleaning my brush, I'm gonna use it to paint white branches. Now I'll be adding white tip to the tail. Using light blue, I'm gonna create two circles to the white part of the face. Now with black paint, I'm gonna create two straight lines from the middle of fox's body to the bottom part, and then I'm gonna create two black paths. Now I'll be adding black spots to each birch tree. Using small brush and white paint, I'll be adding smaller branches. Now I'll switch to a medium-sized brush and I'll use dark green paint to paint small brush strokes on the top part of each tree. Now I'll use light green to add more light green leaves. Next, using yellow paint, I'm gonna create couple yellow dots on grass far away from each other. Now with a small brush and any color you like, you can paint small flower petals. You can use small brush or medium-sized brush to paint some grass between trees. We can paint nose using small brush and black paint, and by creating a small triangle in the middle of the face. From the nose we can create a thin small line and 2 arches. Next I'll add a small black circle in each eye. After cleaning your brush, you can use white to create 2 white dots in each eye and highlight the nose. Now you can add couple black brush strokes to the upper part of the ear. Our final step will be to sign our artwork in the corner.